Hey, what's up y'all? This is Max, a student from STEM 1202 class. For today's vlog, I am going to make a 3D model of my bacterial cell, and you will also learn the bacterial cell structures and its functions. But first, what is a bacterial cell? Well, a bacterial cell is a prokaryotic cell. It has no nucleus or other membrane-bound organelles. I am sure that these informations I would be sharing with you are true and important since I have thoroughly studied and researched these concepts. So, without further ado, let's get started. So these are all the materials that I will be using, and these are all kept and recycled during my junior high school days.
I use small plate for my guide to trace the bacterial cell shape. This part, I used a sandpaper to make the exterior of my bacterial cell smooth. In this part, I drew an outline so that I could know where to cut the excess styrofoam to make it as an elevated layer. I am now covering the styrofoam or the shaped styrofoam with tissue paper to make that texture smooth and I could paint it well. In this part, I am making the flagellum. I'm now starting to paint the capsule of my bacterial cell with color yellow. I used some pink fuzzy wire to make the nucleoid or the DNA of the cell. I used our old Christmas decors as the pili of my cell because it looks like a hair-like structure. For the ribosomes, I used the small tiny styro balls that I found somewhere here in our house.
In this part of the vlog, I am going to share with you the importance of the different parts of the bacterial cell. So let's start with the cell wall. As you can see, the cell wall is the pink layer out there. It is a rigid wall composed of peptidoglycan, a protein sugar molecule. The purpose of this is to give the cell its shape and surround it with cytoplasmic membrane. The next one is the capsule, the outermost layer of the bacterial cell. This is made of polysaccharides, The role of this organelle is to keep the bacterium from drying out and to protect it from phagocytosis by larger microorganisms. Next is the cytoplasmic membrane, the blue layer out there. This encloses the interior of the bacterium, regulating the flow of materials in and out of the cell. Remember that membranes are dynamic, which means they constantly adapt to different conditions. The next one is the nucleoid or the DNA, the pink crisscross strand that you can see. Keep in mind that this is not a membrane-bound nucleus. It controls the activity of the cell and its reproduction. In addition, this is where the transcription and replication of DNA occurs. Next is the ribosomes. As you can see, it is the small orange balls out there. This is to transport the genetic code from the molecular language of nucleic acid to amino acids. Next is the cytoplasm, the inner yellow layer. It is a gel-like structure that is composed of water, proteins, sugars, nucleotides, salts, vitamins, enzymes, DNA, ribosomes, and some internal structures that are found in this organelle. Next one is the pili. It is a small hair-like projections that are found outside the cell exterior. It helps the bacteria in linking to other cells and surfaces. Without this organelle, bacteria will deprive to lose their potential to infect because they are unable to attach to host tissue. Next one is the plasmids, the violet circular shape out there. It is a small double-stranded DNA. These are circular shape and it is important for bacterial evolution. It replicates dependently of the chromosomes. Next one is the flagellum, which is the tail-like structure of the bacterial cell. Flagellum supplies a mean of locomotion for those bacteria that have them. It also aids in taking away toxic chemicals. So that would be all for the parts of the bacterial cell. Hey there! So this would be the end of our vlog. I hope you have learned something from me. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. See you next time around. Bye!